For more than a century, maps showed an island in the Coral Sea. It had a name, Sandy Island. It had a location, near New Caledonia, between known reefs and real ocean routes. It appeared in data sets, charts, and digital maps. There was only one problem. When scientists sailed to the coordinates, the island was not there. No beach, no reef, no shallow water, just deep blue ocean. This is the strange story of Sandy Island, the place that existed on maps longer than it existed in reality. Sandy Island is known as a phantom island. That means it was recorded as land, repeated by map makers, and accepted by later systems, but did not actually exist. The reported location was in the eastern Coral Sea, near the French territory of New Caledonia. The name appeared in different forms, including Sandy Island and Île de Sable. Older reports and later charts helped keep it alive. The problem with maps is that they feel authoritative. Once a line appears on a chart, other people may copy it. Once it enters a database, software may treat it as fact. And once millions of people see it on a screen, the mistake begins to look like reality. In 2012, Australian scientists aboard the research vessel Southern Surveyor noticed something strange. Some maps showed Sandy Island, but other navigational charts did not. According to BBC News, the University of Sydney team went to check the area and found only the blue ocean of the Coral Sea. Scientist Maria Seaton said they expected land, not water more than a kilometer deep. The ship did not find an island that had eroded away. It found deep ocean where land should never have been. That discovery made Sandy Island famous, but the mistake was older than Google Maps. The island had appeared on maps and nautical charts from the late 19th century, and it remained in some global data products into the 21st century. Some hydrographic services had already removed it before the public story broke. But the error survived because mapping systems often inherit older information. A phantom island can travel from a sailor's report to a chart, to a database, to a digital map, and then into the imagination of the public. One possible explanation is floating pumice. After undersea volcanic eruptions, rafts of pumice can drift across the ocean. From a distance, a large field of pale floating stone could be mistaken for land. Another possibility is human error. A misplaced mark, a copied coordinate, a feature entered into one database and repeated by another. No single explanation has ended the mystery completely, but the lesson is clear. Maps are not the world, they are models of the world, and every model can carry old mistakes. That is why Sandy Island feels so modern. It is not just a sea story, it is a data story. It shows how an error can survive by being copied from trusted source to trusted source. The more official the map looks, the less likely people are to question it. When the Southern Surveyor reached the coordinates, the crew performed a kind of reverse discovery. They did not find new land, they found the absence of land. They proved that a place millions of people could see on maps was nothing more than ocean.
After that, map makers began removing Sandy Island. National Geographic and Google corrected their products. But the idea of Sandy Island remains, because it asks an uncomfortable question. How many things do we accept because they were copied before us? How much of what we call knowledge is inherited trust? Sandy Island was not swallowed by the sea. It was swallowed by verification. And that may be the strangest ending of all. The island vanished the moment people finally looked for it.